I've got this in my PR package today. This is from PIXI Beauty, Botanical Collagen Collection. So right away, I wanted to share these with you and my experience. Obviously, for the skin treats, you do need a certain amount of time to see how your skin will react during that period. This collection includes Collagen Tonic, Volumizing Infusion Sheet Mask, Collagen Serum, and Collagen Lip Gloss. Now, when I searched online, there are some other products within this collection as well. If you would purchase this as a collection, it will get to cost around $76. So before anything, my skin at the moment, it feels really dry. I do have dry skin, but before that, I cleanse my skin before I'm going to apply any of these products. I'm gonna take my cotton pads and I will be applying gentle amount of this Collagen Tonic. It does have a fragrance to it. I don't even know how to describe it. So now I'm slowly starting to apply this. I will be avoiding my eye area, also my neck and my chest. Don't forget your neck is also as well part of your face. And when I do makeup, I am always cautious of the ears because whenever you don't put foundation on it, you can see the difference. You can also apply to your arms and just go directly like this as well. This is why the toner is really important. No matter what you do, you'll always find impurities on your skin and it will clean everything that your cleanser may not clean. Toner gets even deeper than just your regular foam or cleansing gel or something else. This toner comes in two sizes. One is 100 milliliters. The other one that I have is in 250 milliliters. When we go to product details, it says that it helps to volumize, firm, revitalize skin's elasticity. When we go to ingredients list, you will see first main 3 ingredients, but then don't forget to go to full ingredients list when you see all actual ingredients that are inside. Categorized, I'm guessing by the percentage of how much they have been used within certain product. Full disclosure, I'm not face esthetician, I'm a makeup artist. I like to see how certain products, skin products, work within makeup because taking care of our skin and having skin prepared is vitally important for the whole rest of the makeup game. I have to emphasize how important it is to take care of our skin and to prepare our skin before we put any makeup product. Depending on how we prepare our skin, our makeup, that degree, our makeup will look better, will apply better, and everything will last longer. Now this is going to be so refreshing. So this is Volume Infusion Sheet Mask. They came within this package and you have 23 grams of a product in here. Mine was in a fridge for I think around 15 minutes just to feel a little bit more refreshed. This is how mask looks like. Now after 15 minutes I'm going to take this off. My skin actually, it feels so smooth. It feels hydrated. I'm going to put this on my neck a little bit just for whatever is left because I can feel that there is a lot of product left in this sheet as well. So I'll be leaving this for a couple of minutes. In this package you're going to get 3 mask sheets and they are priced at $11. Now I'm gonna move on to a Collagen Eye Serum, and this one, I love this applicator. I'm dabbing this product underneath my eye as well on my eyelid. And I'm using this finger right here just to tap the product. I also think I did use, yes, I use a lot of product. I really don't need this much. When we are talking about makeup, this area right here, everything has to be hydrated, but this area is, I would say, the most critical, especially when we are doing under eye area with lots of powders and stuff, and this area has to be treated with special products. All this line has similar fragrance, I would say. I don't know even how to describe it. This product is the most expensive from this whole line and it has been priced for $27. I will say as I pat it on, it has a little bit of stickiness as well. And I'm not sure if I like that just for my skin routine. I would like this to be smooth. I prefer that when it comes to before makeup application. Now something that didn't came in this line, this is from different line. This is Essence Oil from Rose Collection. I love this one. This one is 3-phase oil and I love how hydrates your skin. So I'm going to put this before my moisturizer. I almost ran out of it. That's how much I love it. So I am applying this one all around my face, my neck, This is a lightweight eye serum formulated to revitalize the eye area, which is really delicate, and to help our skin, of course, looking much younger. It says that it's added skin firming power and intense hydration that is provided by hyaluronic acid. It is supposed to be quick absorbing formula, which it is. I can feel it. So once it absorbs, it's not that much sticky as it was once I applied it. Next product that we have is Collagen Lip Gloss, and my hands are so slippery I can't even open this now. So it has this nice end for the applying the lip gloss. Down on the bottom says that it is Volumizing Lip Balm. So this is clear lip balm. The effect is absolutely beautiful. I don't know how or if this would work with makeup. I'll have to try and test it to see how it will work. When it says volume, I would expect the tingling to give some volume to the lips, but that's not the case. This is just because it's so glossy, it gives the kind of bit volume to your lip look. This one is priced at $16. Now at the end, just for my cream, I'm using this Thermological Booster in SPF 50 for my face, and I will end up my face routine with this. So first impressions, I think that is, before anything, it evened up my skin. It looks much more even, and I like the feeling that it hydrates. Maybe it's a little bit, just a tiny bit stickier than I would love it to be, but this is primarily because of this face mask. One more thing that I wanted to mention is how much I love this their Glow Tonic. I almost ran out of it. This one is the best for cleaning skin. I love how it feels, but just sometimes I would feel kind of tingling on my face because this is not just a toner. This is exfoliating toner. So that's the reason why I did feel that, but I do use it on daily basis and I haven't seen any downsides when it comes to that, even though this is exfoliating toner. I will be continuing to using this product to see how they will perform in the long run with my skin. And that will be it for today. Before you leave, make sure to watch this video and I will see you in my next one. And thank you for being here. Bye.